Hi, my name is Chuck Pappas. I'm a personal injury attorney in Massachusetts, and I'm here to offer a tip to anyone who's been injured in a car accident that was caused by someone else. A common tactic that insurance companies use is to make lowball settlement offers shortly after an accident. They do this in hopes of paying much less than the case is actually worth. That's what the adjuster's jobs are, to pay as little as possible and save the insurance company's money. Let me use a prime example. I recently represented a gentleman from Ashland, Massachusetts. He was involved in a head-on collision. While his injuries weren't life-threatening, he did sustain a pretty serious concussion and also back and neck injuries. Now, the insurance company had called him shortly after the crash, and they extended a full and final settlement offer of $2,500. The adjuster told my client that that's what the value of his case is, and that's what the value of those typical kinds of cases are. Now, I could tell right away from evaluating my client's case and listening to his story that his case was worth much more than $2,500. In the end, we settled his claim for $75,000. As you can tell, that's a drastic difference between the initial offer of $2,500 and the final settlement of $75,000. Now, the reason you shouldn't accept lowball settlement offers shortly after a crash is because at that point in time, it is very difficult to determine the value of a case. Number one, you don't know the full extent of your injuries. Number two, that soon after an accident, you don't know the extent of your economic damages, those being your medical bills or your lost wages. And lastly, right after an accident, you're not going to be able to value compensation for your pain and suffering. This is why you should be aware of lowball settlement offers. It's best to speak to an experienced personal injury attorney so they can evaluate your case and let you know the approximate value or what you can expect in your case. I hope this tip helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for watching.